Good morning, friends. Welcome to our webinar series in Nifty and Banknifty and other indices. We have been conducting live webinars in Bitcoin every alternate day, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And today we are starting even in Nifty also. And probably weekly twice we'll be having this particular webinar, or at least Friday we will try to have one webinar in Nifty and Banknifty. And this is X2 system. You can see before starting webinar, I'll just give you brief introduction. Brief instructions. The first one is, if this particular webinar this gets disconnected, you can reconnect with the same link. And second point is, language of this webinar will be English and Hindi. And if you don't understand, you can chat in the box. Q&A box is there, chat box is there. And third point is, regarding this system, X2 system, lot of training videos are there in our website, x1trader.com, and channel also. You can go through all those training videos, and here there are no big conditions or rules, okay, in this system. In our X1 system, if you have any idea, if you have seen our website earlier or videos earlier, in our X1 system there are some rules, but in this X2 system, though it is completely rule based, rules are simplified. So to take a sell signal, we want two red color symbols. To take a sell signal, we want two red color symbols. Here you can see this is the signal. This is one signal, and this is one signal. Aeroplane symbol has come. So these are main signals. This aeroplane, this arrow and aeroplane are main signals, and this star and pullback phone symbol and star symbols are pullback symbols. So two main symbols have to come. So either two arrows may come, or two aeroplanes may come, or one arrow plus one aeroplane may come. So in this case, you can see yesterday, this is the day separated. This is today's movement, from here. And this is yesterday's movement, and this is previous day movement. Okay, before that. This was first arrow, sell signal has come, but it is not valid. So next day morning, yesterday morning, you got one more, this one, condition, and sell signal got triggered somewhere here, whatever is this price. I'll just remove the upper scroll. You can see, I'm placing my cursor. You can see the price here, 25,412. So from 25,412, sell signal got, excuse me. Let us take round figure 25,410, and 25,267 is the current price. So as of now, sell signal is going on, and in this one you can see, after our entry, I'll just draw one horizontal line. So this is where our buy signal, sell signal got triggered, and you got this pullback signals. So you can see almost at the near to the entry price. So this is one more re-entry point. This is one more re-entry point. But this has to be used only for to catch this particular up this particular price only. This particular signal target will be there, but this main signal target will be plus symbols. So second plus symbol you have to see. That is my target. Generally, first symbol, first target will come so fast, but we'll be aiming for second target. So in this one, you can see this was the first target. This was second target. So this is the price where we are expecting this particular trend 25,220 approximately. If you place your mouse on this one, you can even see target here. If you place your mouse, it will show you target 2 also. What has happened in second? If you place your mouse, you can see. Otherwise, you can just draw one horizontal line here. Okay, so this will be your second target. Sometimes second target may not come. If you're okay, you can even put half of this first and second in between. Also, you can take profit in some of the positions. So if you've got multiple lots, you can exit different points. And in this one, as I told you, simple rules. If you get valid buy signal, we will buy. If you get valid sell signal, we will sell. And all pullbacks near to entry price, we will take re-entry. And if stop loss hits, we will reverse the position without any hesitation. Okay. So, for example, before this signal, there was a buy signal. I'll just show you. Let's go back. There was one arrow here, and there was one aeroplane. So this signal got triggered somewhere here around 25,450, something like that. From there, it went up to 70, 80 points, but it did not give you first target, second target. And finally, it has given you stop loss. Okay, so around 50 points loss is there. Of course, it was in profit, but no, we were aiming for at least no second target. So our target was at least no half of this particular no first and second target. No, that kind of target did not come in this one. So in this one, no, though you got 80 points profit, target did not come. So finally, what has happened? 50 points loss has happened in this one, and we have reversed the trade. Right now, we are in 200 points profit, approximately 200 points profit, and we don't know how long this will continue. It may give you 300 points, 400 points, 500 points, but generally, what I observed in the system is once a signal comes, it will be there for 2 to 5 days. Okay, so this is second day. Okay, this is first day. Yesterday was first day, today is second day. So we can expect 2 to 5 days of downswing in this particular signal. If it is very strong sell signal, no, if higher time frame is also supporting, etc., it may even last up to 1 week also. 1 week means 10 trading sessions, but generally in 1 minute time frame, 2 to 5 days you can take. So once a buy signal has come earlier, no, it was there only for 2 days. And in this one, no, I'm expecting at least no 5 days of movement. So let us say in between, no, you'll be getting pullbacks. If you get pullbacks up to this particular area, we can take re-entry. And if stop loss triggers, we'll be sorry. If new buy signal comes, we'll be taking long position. So once we get no this one midpoint of first and second, at least modify your stop loss to break even. So right now we are already in profit. Previous trades losses recovered, and loss is only 50 points that is recovered, and then already we are in profit. And if you have got multiple lots, exit 50% of the position, remaining 50% keep it this particular price. We don't know how much trend will come in this one. If you've got our X1 system, you'll be having idea about what is happening in market. For example, this is our X1 system. So in this one, it will give you market picture. There is no condition that you must have this one, but if you have got this one, if you're already using our system, now you can see almost no zero crossover is about to happen. So if zero crossover happens, this will be very important area. Okay, it will decide the fate of this particular Nifty or any stock that you are watching, but no need to go that much deeper. So if you are having X1, it's okay, you can take a reference about bigger picture about this one. But if you don't have X1 system, you can directly use small logic in this one. Okay, once you get some good target, try to modify your stop loss. Don't expect that every signal will give you 1,000 points movement. It's not like that. So you must have a little bit of market picture. So right now sell signal is going on, and there is a filter here. In this filter, see red color, green color, this one is there. This is based on higher time frame. So this must be used as a reference to know whether this one this particular signal is strong signal or weak signal. Suppose when we are going to sell, if this is in green color, that signal will be a weak signal. If it is red color, then that's a very good signal. Very good in the sense it has got reasonable strength. Okay, earlier you have got no strength also, but it gave you this one reversal has come. There will be hundreds of reasons why market falls or why market goes up. We are not bothered about all those things. You just have to follow rules. When you get a valid buy signal, take a buy position. When you get valid sell signal, take a sell position, and if stop loss, it's reverse. And use small logic, common sense, etc. And let us go to other charts now. You can see Nifty was in sell since yesterday, but Bank Nifty sell signal has come only today. You can see Bank Nifty chart. Sell signal has come yesterday, today. See, there was an arrow, red color arrow is there, but as I told you, we need two red color arrows to take a sell signal, or one aeroplane, one red color arrow. But the second signal did not come yesterday. Second signal has come today. So in Bank Nifty, sell triggered today. In Nifty, sell triggered yesterday. Before that, no, Bank Nifty has given you a buy signal and has given some profit. And then earlier also there was a sell signal that has given you profit. Let us go to Sensex chart. So in Sensex, no, yesterday only sell signal triggered, and you got no similar type of structure, no, like Nifty. And I'll show you Nifty. Nifty also yesterday only this sell signal got triggered. No, two signals have come. So yesterday sell signal triggered. Let us go to mid cap Nifty. So mid cap Nifty chart is a very good lesson, no, to understand, no, what happens in market, what is happening in market. Let me show you. Let me remove this one, auto scroll. See, when Nifty and Bank Nifty have gone into buy here, only one arrow has come in mid cap Nifty. So Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty also went into buy, but this has not gone into buy. So in this one, no, previous sell signal was continuing. Previous sell signal was no from this particular area. Okay, this is the area from where previous sell signal is continuing, 13,484. Okay, afterwards you can see no upside has come, some pullback signal has come in this one. So in spite of this much volatility, there is no fake signal in the system. It has given you pullback sell signal, confirmation, pullback sell. Okay, everything has come in this one, but there is no valid buy signal. And here you can see no almost at the top, near to the top area, it has given you one more pullback entry point. So this is one more, no, very good point to take a short position. If you have taken short here, this is the target. So target also has come, and in this one, main signal is a sell signal that is running in spite of this much volatility, up and down is happening. But you can see, no, there is no fake signal or disturbance in the signals. Okay. So right now, no, this arrow, no need to do anything in this one because no, it's only continuation. So we'll be taking only fresh trade, not no every arrow is not a valid signal. So once you have taken sell signal, there may be another 2-3 arrows, but no, those arrows must be ignored. So main lesson from this mid cap Nifty chart is it has given a buy signal which is not fully valid, and this is excellent shorting point if you know how to use the system. And if you did not even short here, this one is a very good shorting point. And if you see the logic to understand here, no, if you're in market, no, you'll be knowing what I'm going to say. See, for example, no, let us say we have got 5 indices, no, Nifty, Bank Nifty, In Nifty, and Mid Cap Nifty. Out of these 4 indices, whichever gives you first sell signal, that is going to be a strong sell signal. Okay, that particular index is a weak index. Okay, and if any out of these 4, suppose if these 4 are in sell, and whichever index gives you first buy signal, that's a strong index, and that will be giving you very good profit. So in this case, what has happened? Though Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty went up, no, there was no buy signal from this one. That means mid cap Nifty is weakest of all signals. And after in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Fin Nifty, first sell signal has come from Nifty. So Nifty is weaker than Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. So you can correlate, no, what kind of event will come. Suppose if you want to do stocks. So when Nifty is falling, consider Nifty, no, don't short banks stocks. Okay, because no, bank stocks it may fall. I'm not saying that bank stocks will not fall. Bank Nifty has given you sell signal, but the first one that has given you sell signal is this one, no, Nifty and Fin Nifty. So Nifty and Fin Nifty stocks will fall much higher than this particular, Bank Nifty stocks. This will also fall, but comparatively, if you see comparative performance, Nifty, whatever is the index constituents, no, for example, no, today IT is falling. Yesterday only that particular fall started, but in banks today fall is started. So the first one that has moved, no, that will give you bigger profit. So this is a message from this one. So you will understand a lot of things, no, once market is going on, and you can see, no, you'll be getting signals here. No, these are all X1 system charts. So in this webinar, we'll try to consider an index, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty, and this one, Sensex Mid Cap Nifty. And you can use this one more for every market, not only Nifty, Bank Nifty. You can trade any market with this one. We have been continuously conducting webinars, live webinars in Bitcoin every alternate days, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if you're interested, you can join there and you can use it for Bitcoin, because that is the most volatile instrument and most profitable instrument, and big trends will come. For example, if you go to our Twitter page, today we have posted, you can see there is a 4,000 points movement yesterday. Not 4,000. There is a from 1,11,000 we got a buy signal in Bitcoin. In this system it is not open, so that is the reason I am not showing. So 1,17,000 is the highest point yesterday. So $6,000 movement has come in one single day. Okay, so that kind of movement will not come in our market. So if you want a trending instrument, you go for Bitcoin. If you have knowledge about this one, so otherwise there are a lot of videos in Google you can search, and you can open a trading account with any of the Indian brokers. Delta Exchange or Indices, or if you've got international trading account also, you can trade there. But signals you can take from MT4 and then you can place orders in those platforms. So Bitcoin is most profitable. So try to use this system also there. And if you have got X amount of capital, try to put 10% of the capital in Bitcoin. That is what is my recommendation. So it's up to you whether you want to trade or not, because that runs 24 hours. There will be no question of gap up and gap down, and there will be no tension also. So buy and sell signals will be okay. If any sell signal or buy signal gets stop loss gets triggered, then we'll reverse the position. So right now you can see Nifty chart is going on 25,255. 420 is the price now where we got this sell signal. So 200 points profit is there, and this target, reasonable target. This midpoint of first and second is reasonable target. So 200 points is a reasonable target here. So we got that profit, and let us see what will happen in this one. And if you have got any questions about this system, or if you want to talk to me, you can directly ask me to unmute. You can just type unmute in the chat box or this one. So I'll try to explain you whatever is your question, and almost all questions are answered in this one now. Training videos. It's a simple system. I don't think you'll be having a lot of questions in this one, but still, if you don't have clarification, if you don't have clear view, just you can ask me. See, many people see chart like this, in Zoom, this one, in this way they'll see candle to candle, but I prefer to see chart like this, because it will give you the clear picture, what is happening since last 3-4 days. So try to see in this one, compressed mode, but if you want to see candle to candle, this is the moment that is happening in market. So observe it, and First thing that you might have observed is in this one is there is no ambiguity, and it is 100% rule-based system. So when you have 100% rule-based system, there will be no emotions. Okay, once you have this kind of no emotions, you're almost successful 50% of time. Okay, your success is guaranteed 50% of time because no emotions will kill many traders. Just know in this particular moment, many people will go long. Okay, assuming that it will go up. Okay, but finally, you can see, ultimately this particular signal will continue. Even if it gives you pullback, you must know where to take once again re-entry. So if a phone symbol comes, we'll take once again. And one more point is, all signals are non-repainting signals. So once a signal comes, it will not disappear from the chart, okay, or it will not change the place. So all signals are non-repainting signals. Okay, so don't worry about this one, and all our systems will be having non-repainting signals. And X4 is there where reloading is there, but that is the only system where reloading is there. But in all other systems, uh, once a signal comes, it will not disappear. See here, continuously sell signal is going on, and from 25,420, the signal 25,410. Right now, you can see we are at 25,158. Almost 250 points profit in this one. So इसमें देख लीजिए ना, without any hesitation, without any confusion, you can take trades. बाई सिग्नल, वैलिड बाई सिग्नल आए तो बाई करना चाहिए, वैलिड सेल सिग्नल आए तो सेल करना चाहिए, स्टॉप लॉस हिटवर तो रिवर्स करना, और ये पुल बैक सिग्नल्स अगर आपका एंट्री का नजदीक आए तो इमीडिएटली वहां पे पोजीशन ले लीजिए, कुछ नहीं होता. तो दिस इज सिस्टम. एंड आज जो देख लीजिए, ये वेबिनार में 2 दिन के पहले फिक्स किया था इसका डेट वगैरह, टाइम वगैरह. एंड आज तो आई डोंट नो ना दिस काइंड ऑफ मूवमेंट विल कम. सो ये क्या होता, क्या हो सकता मार्केट में, नो बडी कैन प्रेडिक्ट. बट विच एवर सिग्नल दैट कम्स, नो यू कैन टेक ट्रेड्स. सेंसेक्स का भी देख लीजिए, बैंक निफ्टी का, फिन निफ्टी का, मिड कैप निफ्टी तो ऑलरेडी सेल में है. So simple system but accurate system, without any emotions you can trade. So this is specialty of the system. So देख लीजिए, अभी तो 11 हो रहा, another 1 hour time is there in webinar. And if you feel it is worth, you can subscribe it from our website trder.com. and देखेंगे अभी, और थोड़ी देर देखेंगे, एक पुल बैक आए तो आपका सामने एक पुल बैक का सिंबल आने का चांस है. So let us see. You can see the time here 11:50. So 12 o'clock is the closing time of this webinar, and you can see since morning now sell signal is going, and sell signal is of yesterday. कल का सिग्नल था ये, कल जो सेल सिग्नल था वही नहीं हो रहा. और ये जो वेबिनार का इंटेंशन इज टू शो यू रूल बेस्ड ट्रेडिंग सिस्टम. यहाँ पे कुछ टिप्स वगैरह देने के लिए हम ये करना ट्राई कर रहे हैं. सो सेल सिग्नल आए तो क्या करना चाहिए, स्टॉप लॉस हुआ तो क्या करना है, तो कौन सा वैलिड है कौन सा वैलिड नहीं है. So to discuss all these points, to explain you all these points, we are conducting webinar. तो ये टिप्स जैसे आप नहीं लेना चाहिए, आप ये देख के ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर आपके पास ये सिस्टम नहीं है तो कल मॉर्निंग एक अच्छा पुल बैक आता होगा, फिर ये पुल बैक का सिंबल आता होगा, आपको मालूम नहीं है ना क्या होता बोल के. सो बेस्ड ऑन दिस वन डोंट टेक एनी ट्रेड. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर वेबिनार इज ओनली फॉर explanation purpose. आपके पास समय तो you trade. So main thing to understand here is this is completely rule based system. किसी भी टाइम फ्रेम में, किसी भी स्टॉक में, किसी भी मार्केट में गेस करके काम करने का नहीं है. इफ यू गो टू this one, if you switch to 5 minutes time frame, this will show you 5 minutes time frame signal. So 5 minutes में already इसमें सेल चल रहा था. You can see now since this particular day, ये जो भी है ना ये डे है. उसके बाद में जब मार्केट ऊपर गया था 1 मिनट में आपको ये बाई में चले गया, बट 5 मिनट्स में दिस इज एन एक्सेलेंट शॉर्टिंग पॉइंट. यू कैन सी हियर. सो अगर आप 1 मिनट कोरिलेट करें तो यहाँ पे हमें बाई सिग्नल था टाइम फ्रेम में. सो ये क्यों यहाँ पे रिवर्स हुआ, क्यों ये 1 मिनट में टारगेट नहीं है बोले तो 5 मिनट्स में दिस एन एरिया वेयर इट इज शोइंग यू दैट इज द रीजन. यहाँ से ये रिवर्स है. तो ये कंटिन्यू हो रहा देख लीजिए. आपको ये जो कंसोलिडेशन में there is no fake signal. Finally, no, it is going in the same original direction. So 5 minutes में सेल है निफ्टी में, और बैंक निफ्टी में भी ऐसे देख सकते हैं. आप नहीं देखना, नहीं करना बोल के नहीं, निफ्टी में आप करते. तो इसके पहले बाय सिग्नल था, ये वोलेटिलिटी नीचे हुआ तो भी इसमें there is no disturbance here. So if you want to do swing trading, go for 5 minutes or 15 minutes depending upon your capital pay. But 5 minutes will be almost no, it will show you bigger swing. Only thing is that you must have patience. And 15 minutes इससे भी बड़ा swing दिखा था. So 1 minute time frame is for pure intraday. That 2 to 5 minutes, sorry 2 to 5 days of swing आपको दिखता है इसमें. अगर आप कैंडल टू कैंडल काम करना चाहे तो ये देखो, थोड़े लोग काम करते हैं ना यहाँ से यहाँ तक कॉल ऑप्शन फिर जो भी है, वो टाइप का काम के लिए ये नहीं होता. अगर आप ऐसा काम करना बोलते हो इंट्राडे में, यू कैन नेवर मेक मनी. छोटा स्विंग से कम आपका कैपिटल बढ़ता, बट आप ऐसा कैंडल टू कैंडल देख के मैं वो करता हूँ ये करता हूँ बोलते वो नहीं होता. तो वन रूल बेस्ड सिस्टम आप देख लीजिए. नहीं तो हमारे पास दूसरा है, मैं आपको एक दिखाता हूँ, देख लीजिए. इसी में निफ्टी में ही अपन ये लोड करेंगे. इसमें क्या होता बोलते आपको एक प्रॉबल टॉप एंड बॉटम का एक सिग्नल्स आता है. ठीक है, ये आपको ये सिस्टम में नहीं आता, ये टेम्पलेट आपको नहीं मिलता, ये टेम्पलेट एक्स्ट्रा है. दिस टेम्पलेट वी आर चार्जिंग 30,000 रुपीज ओनली फॉर दिस टेम्पलेट. और ये इंडिकेटर एक्स्ट्रा है, ये नहीं आता आपको, ओनली टेम्पलेट के लिए चार्ज कर रहे. तो इसमें देख लीजिए, और थोड़ा छोटा सेटिंग करे तो और भी नंबर ऑफ सिग्नल्स आ रहा था. ये प्रॉबल बॉटम दिखा रहा, तो यहाँ से आप एक ऐसा बाई कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो और भी इसमें वेरिएशन दिए तो आपको एक दिखाता हूँ, देख लीजिए. एक्सपाई सिग्नल 1 मिनट. अगर आप स्कैल्पिंग करना है तो ये एक एक्सपाई बोल के एक सिस्टम है मेरे पास, तो एक्सपाई में आप स्कैल्पिंग कर सकते हैं. इसमें आपको क्या हो गया, तो इसमें देख लीजिए आपको फॉर क्विक स्कैल्पिंग 30-40 पॉइंट्स का स्कैल्पिंग हर चार्ट पे नहीं करना चाहिए. तो ये एक सिस्टम है, और बेस्ड ऑन दिस वन आल्सो यू कैन डू स्कैल्पिंग. सो इंटरेस्ट है तो आप ये देख लीजिए. बट मेरा प्रेफरेंस तो X1 इज फॉर स्विंग ट्रेडिंग, X2 इज फॉर बोथ इंट्राडे एंड स्विंग ट्रेडिंग. ये 1 to 5 डेज का 2 to 5 डेज का स्विंग दिखा था. तो उसमें इंट्राडे में काम करना हो तो पुल बैक का सिंबल वेरी गुड सिंबल है. अगर और भी थोड़ा एडवांस चाहिए बोल तो ये टेम्पलेट है, ये इसमें आप काम कर सकते हैं. तो प्रॉबल टॉप प्रॉबल बॉटम बीच में आते रहता है. सो वहाँ पे आप री एंट्री कर सकते हैं, ऐसा देख लीजिए. तो यहाँ पे देखो ना, ये प्रॉबल बॉटम में ऐसा यहाँ से रिवर्स हुआ, तो दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग विल बी देयर. एंड इसमें पुल बैक में काम करना है तो इट इज बेस्ट फॉर इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग. सो इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड यू कैन गो फॉर एनी अदर थिंग। ये सब आपको नहीं मिलता, बेसिक X2 में नहीं मिलता। तो X2 आपको बेसिक जो है वर्जन है ये आता आपको, तो ये सब इंडिकेटर्स वगैरह कुछ नहीं मिलता, एक बार देख लीजिए। सो एज ऑफ नो सेल का सिग्नल चल रहा निफ्टी में, बैंक निफ्टी में, सेंसेक्स में, फिन निफ्टी में, मिड कैप निफ्टी में, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे देखो ना, ये मिड कैप निफ्टी इट इज गिविंग here or easy price नो पर दी रूल्स नो, एक पुल बैक का सिंबल आए तो वहां पे और एक बार शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं, बट इसमें ऑलरेडी बहुत दूर से ऊपर से शॉर्ट सिग्नल चल रहा, तो आफ्टर बिग फॉल पुल बैक्स को काम करना नहीं करना डिस्क्रिशनरी है, बट नियर द एंट्री प्राइस, आपका जो एंट्री प्राइस है ना, ये आपका एंट्री प्राइस है, तो इसका नियर कितना आता उतना अच्छा है। अगर यहाँ पे जाके अभी आए तो एक बार रिस्क ले सकते हैं, बट हर पुल बैक में स्ट्रेंथ कम होते रहता, तो ट्राई टू टेक नो फर्स्ट पुल बैक, सेकंड पुल बैक और एज मेनी पुल बैक्स एज यू गेट नियर द एंट्री प्राइस, नहीं तो इनसाइड भी मिले तो और भी अच्छा है। तो दिस इज द रूल फॉर पुल बैक्स। अगर आप स्पेशली काम कर सकते हैं, करना चाह रहे तो आप कर सकते हैं, रिवर्स करने के लिए रेडी रहना चाहिए, जहां बोलते वहां पुल बैक में मैं काम करता हूँ तो आप रिवर्स के लिए रेडी रहना चाहिए, बट मैं तो एडवाइज नहीं करता हूँ। फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे देखो ना, इतना दूर अपन नहीं करते, सो अभी पुल बैक सिग्नल आए तो छोड़ दो ना भाई, ऑलरेडी आपका करने दूर जाके में छोटा छोटा ट्रेंड्स आते रहता है, बट मैं तो प्रिफर नहीं करता हूँ उसको। सो interested about in this no rule based trading system, you can go for this one, और किसी में भी काम कर सकते हैं, नॉट ओनली निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी, किसी भी स्टॉक में, इंडेक्स में, फ्यूचर्स में, इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में डॉ जोन्स नैस्डैक वगैरह सब है यहाँ पे, और गोल्ड सिल्वर है और क्रिप्टो है, किसी में भी आप काम कर सकते हैं। अगर आप क्रिप्टो में काम करना हो तो डायरेक्टली आप MT4 प्लेटफॉर्म जो ब्रोकर का प्लेटफॉर्म है उसी में डाल दीजिए, ये उसमें काम से बैठ रहे क्या बोलते, ये जो डेटा फीड है ये पर्टिकुलर डेटा फीड ब्रोकर का डेटा फीड है, तो जो ब्रोकरेज प्लेटफॉर्म आप काम कर रहे हैं ना उसी उसका MT4 में आप ये इंस्टॉल करवा लीजिए, अच्छा रहता। सो दिस इज अबाउट द सिस्टम एंड तो क्लोज दिस वेबिनार एंड होप दिस वेबिनार इज यूजफुल टू मीट इन नेक्स्ट वेबिनार। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग दिस वेबिनार।